I need to show this girl's face. Lift it up a little, towards the outside. So what do I need to do? First, I'll copy this girl's face, alright? Am I doing it right? Just like when we used to make selections, I'll create a selection. Just like when we used to make selections, I'll create a selection. Right-click, make selection. First, mask the layer. Then invert it by Ctrl-I, and then press Ctrl-T to transform it and snap this one. Now the girl's face has appeared. Alright. Now I need to add a bit of shadow to this, like this, and drop shadow. Adjust the size and okay, now you can Thanks for watching.